Hi everyone, this is Ephemeral, and in today's video I would like to show you how you can achieve this kind of color art drawing effect in Photoshop. And it's really easy. As you can see in here, I have like only maybe 10 layers. So I've started from this one, from this portrait. This was the initial picture that I got, and then this is the final result. So it's like 1 2 3 4 maybe 5 steps. So yeah, without further ado, let's jump right to it. You need initially a poster of whatever you like, a male or a female, but you have to take into consideration that you need some lightning from one side. You will use it, and then you have to desaturate it. Like go to hue and saturation, go to image adjustments, hue and saturation, or just press Ctrl U and then remove the saturation. Like this is how you desaturate a photo in Photoshop. Then you go to curves to make the dark parts even darker. So to do that, you go to image adjustments and then curves, and then play with the curves, like maybe like this. This is just a quick example of how you can do it. And then you go to exposure, same thing, image adjustments, exposure, and then you play with the offset and the gamma correction until you have something similar to this. You have to get one side like white, really white, and one really dark. And then from this, after you do that, you go to color range, go to select color range, click the black, click OK. You will have a selection, Control C, Control V. This will be the selection of your color range. So it's just like this, but I have applied colors on this one, so it's the same, right? And then in order to apply some colors, you go to right click on it, blending options, and then go to color overlay, and then choose what color you would want. So yeah, it's not that hard. So in order to do that, you pick the color, and then in order to have a smart object, the only object inside my smart object was the layer that I just merged. So click the last layer, you will not have this too. So just click the last layer active, and then Control Shift Alt and E, Control Shift Alt and E. You will merge all the layers that you have in here, all the active layers, actually only this one and the background, and you will have something like this. And then on this one, you will go to filters and apply some filters, some noise and some Gaussian blur. I have applied Gaussian blur 2 pixels and noise 5, maybe you can go 6. And then in the end, you can apply some text over the final result. It's a smart object again. So the text is like in the previous video that I've made. It's the background, some fonts, and then threshold on it, and then make them a smart object, apply some Gaussian blur, and this is the result, right? Leave it enabled or disabled, and this is the final result. You can play with the text, put it whatever you want, like this, I don't know. This is a continuation of the video that I just posted like 1 or 2 weeks ago, and this is another variation of an album cover that you can do in Photoshop. Really easy, and I hope you like it. It's not that much. You don't need a lot of experience in Photoshop to do this. This is exactly why I'm focusing on like really easy tutorials for people that are just starting using Photoshop and they like to do like cover arts, album artwork, like whatever, like Spotify album designs. They have a lot of names. And yeah, I hope you like this, guys. If so, don't forget to like the video and maybe tell me in the comment section what you think about this kind of design. Is it easy? Is it hard? And what else do you like to see? I'm looking forward to your comments, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye bye.